Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, hey, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, well, thank you for coming back. So, I know I just recently came back to YouTube after being gone for about 2.5 years, and I haven't uploaded in a week and a half, you guys. My bad. Mainly because my battery, I mean, not my battery, my camera died. So, I'm using my cell phone, and I'm just going to stick using my cell phone for right now to film with until I replace my camera, which is perfectly okay. But I wanted to show you, share with you guys what I picked up from Dollar Tree. I love that store. By the way, I picked up some stuff like a week and a half ago, but then I bought some more of this exact same item, so I'm going to show you that today. And I actually realized I have three local Dollar Trees that are like in a triangle, somewhat near me. So I went to a different one today. Y'all, I picked up some good stuff. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and show you this guy right here. Probably saw the thumbnail. I found I found this baby right here. I found this is their stackable pumpkins, 24 inches, as you can see. Let me move my face out the way. But this is what it looks like when you stack it up. When I saw the little display in Dollar Tree, they had three different colors in the display, but my Dollar Tree had only two colors. It had, the pretty orange color for Halloween or for fall, I should say, and then they had a white. I thought about the white, and then I really thought about the white, and then I just stuck with the orange. So I got this one on here that goes up to 24 inches, which is 2 feet. But then as I was walking around the store, I found another one, but this is a little tiny one, you guys, a little tiny one, 12 inches, cost me $1.25. Y'all, I was like, yes. Don't know exactly where this one is gonna go yet, but I had to pick it up. I don't know about you guys, but right now in this economy, currently, right now, you guys, I like to save money. So I've been buying my household cleaners from the Dollar Tree, and I picked up these right here. Picked up two of them, and each one of these comes with two concentrate pods. Oopsie, my bad. Two little pods inside of this thing right here. Each of them come with that. But my Dollar Tree also had these, and I picked up two of these too. I'm gonna have one in each bathroom for you to refill it, three of them. So I was all like, yep, you guys are coming home with me. So I got all of these as well. If you guys are curious why I'm in my bathroom, it's because I'm like almost done cleaning my bathroom, and I realized I could have done a video on it. So we're gonna do that with my boys' bathroom. But the rest of the stuff I'm gonna show you, well, almost the rest of the stuff I'm gonna show you, has to do with me reorganizing underneath my sinks, including my kitchen sink. So I'm gonna show you guys that in another video. But I'm like almost done with cleaning my bathroom. My shower curtain right now is in the dryer. So as you can see, I got a lot of stuff done. Anyway, I also picked me up another one of these. I really do like this brand. I'm gonna be honest, I've seen this brand before, but when I saw that they had them at Dollar Tree, I picked it up. Okay, I picked it up. And this is their mold stain and mildew remover. Basically, it's bleach, you guys. You can see by the little handle. It says bleach. And I like using this in my bathroom, but also in my kitchen. So I got one of these. I already have one already, but I got another one. And of course, got some Comet, you guys. They got Ajax too, but for some odd reason, I just picked up Comet. So, hey. Now for organization, I picked up some of these baskets last week, and I haven't did them yet, but I want to reorganize my deep freezer. I have one of those big square cube deep freezers that you can find on Walmart. I found some of these baskets. I don't know if you guys seen these baskets at your Dollar Tree, but they do have these baskets, and these are $5 a piece. As you can see, $5, and they're pretty big. I hope you guys saw the dimensions on here, but the dimensions are pretty nice. And I'm going to use these to reorganize my deep freezer. And I actually picked up 3 of these. You guys, let me restack that one. There we go. As you can see, I got 3 of these. I'll be using them to reorganize my deep freezer. That is my idea, mainly for food prep. So like I can have breakfast and some dinner items, not really lunch, but breakfast and dinner items, and maybe even pre-done veggies that I like to keep in the freezer. Yeah, so I got me 3 of these. And then what I went back to Dollar Tree to pick up actually today was the whole reason why I went to a different Dollar Tree was because I found these. The dimensions are kind of the same as the other baskets, but let me just show you the dimensions. I hope you guys can see that, and the lighting's not too bad. But these are these really big baskets like this, you guys, okay? As you can see the dimensions, they're pretty big. And I got them to organize underneath my bathroom sinks. Originally, I bought 2 of these. The other one's on my bed. But then I went back to Dollar Tree. Let me show you. They're like stacked over here. I wanted to get 4 more, y'all. I ended up getting 5 more. Oops. So I have 7 of these. And I'm going to do a video of me reorganizing my under the sinks. It's basically going to be probably the clean with me video with me doing the bathrooms. Or at least, probably not my bathroom because my bathroom was done. But it's going to be in a clean with me video coming up very shortly. As soon as I, stop filming this one. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what stuff I found at the Dollar Tree. Yes, they were $5 a piece, but the first ones I got, I don't know what it was, but the dude didn't charge me $5. He charged me $1.25. So I did pay for them. Not for the price indicated, but I did pay for them. It wasn't my fault. He changed the price. Anyways, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Go hit up your Dollar Tree and see what you can find. All right. Bye.